Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. So I just posted a video the night before last. In the video I said my dad had my transmission apart because the trans brake was sketchy. Well, we figured out why it was sketchy. He hold on a second. Anyway, we figured out why it was sketchy. I run a ATI built Turbo 400 reverse manual valve body. I had bought it with a conventional trans brake. It had a cast iron valve body in it. It's really nothing special. But when we decided to go nitrous, I wanted a shifter with clean neutral in it. So I ordered a PPP automatic transmission shifter that reverses everything. I don't know how well the lighting's going to be in here, but anyway, here we go. Right, so there's the shifter. Parks back here, reverse, 1, 2, 3. It's a reverse manual, but you push it forward, and then you have neutral way up here. So, in order to make that shifter work, I was looking for a brand new valve body. So, after a bunch of research, I wanted to stay with ATI. So I ordered a wicked quick ATI billet aluminum valve body with their trans brake in it. So we pulled the transmission out, did it all on the bench. Put that in, threw it back in the car. It worked initially, maybe like the first 2 times. After that, the trans brake would work maybe 2 or 3 times out of 10 times. To get it to go into reverse, I had to physically put it in park, hit the trans brake button, and then slide it up in reverse. It's the only way the car would ever back up. But anyway, my dad, he emailed ATI, and this is kind of the strange part. Nowhere in the description, I ordered this from Summit, by the way, because they had the best price. Nowhere in the description on Summit's website did it say anything about it being a trans brake for a 16-volt system. When we got the box, open up the box with the directions, I think the paper's right over here on the shelf. Yeah, it's right here. It says, when the trans brake is applied with all electronics, with all electrical equipment running, fans, light, pumps, etc., a minimum of 13.5 volt system is required for under 250 psi. If above 250 psi, you must have a 16 volt system with a minimum of 14.5 volts at the positive trans brake wire. All right, I didn't think my transmission was making that kind of pressure. I don't have any gauges to hook up to it. I guess it's kind of my fault, but I just kind of found it strange that ATI doesn't sell one brake with the valve body versus the other. Why? So basically what I'm saying is every time you order this wicked quick, you get the 16 volt, if it's over 250, that's the one you get. They don't ask you a question like, are you making this much or not? You just get that one. So that's what the problem was. So the tech department told my dad, you probably need this one. I called ATI to order it because they had the best price over Summit. And when I was talking to the tech guy, he said, yeah, more than likely, he's almost positive that's the problem. So I was pretty confident that's probably the problem. Nothing like MSD's tech department. This guy actually knew what he was talking about. So I ordered it, and what was ultra cool, ATI, they knocked a lot of money off the price for me. They, I bet you $50 off the price because I was a returning customer, and I've bought my torque converters from them, the transmission from them, everything but the valve body. Anything transmission related, I usually get from them. So they're in Maryland. I'm in New Jersey. I ordered that at 4 o'clock on Monday. I had it at 12:05 Tuesday morning. But I just wanted to let anyone know if they're having the same problem. All right, right here's the trans brake that comes in the wicked quick. The one was requiring 16 volts. ATI told me that this one is really fast. It's faster than the one that I had to replace it with. My dad, he scribbled out the part number for the new one. But right there you can see, you can see where it says 12 volt 400. Part number is ATI 403098. And we tested it. He got it in today. I got home from work, started the car up. It went in reverse every single time it was supposed to go in reverse. Put it in reverse, hit the button, it went straight back, just like it was supposed to do. Put it on a trans brake probably 6 or 7 times, which is more than it has worked since I've had it. I've always just dealt with it. I've been foot braking the car, so now we get to test with the trans brake that actually functions. All because I wanted a forward pattern manual reverse valve body. So if this helps anybody out, that's the deal with it. So before you order it, if you call ATI and you want the wicked quick and you're not running 16 volt charging system, you might want to ask them. Like I said, I didn't order it from ATI. I ordered it from Summit at the time because Summit had a way better price, and that was back during COVID with all the part shortages. So I just took it wherever I could get it for the best price. So with that being said, I'm going to get off of here. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Try to support the channel, and I'll try to get more content up. I know I've been kind of slow lately, but again, thanks for watching. Talk to you guys later. See you.